Hey guys, I got some brand new toys today. Like, I got the Yellow Rainbow Friend. This video is mainly an unboxing video, so let's see if we can get over here on my ground. Starting off with our Shima. The Shima is one of the new All Engines characters. Just let's open. Okay, so we're going to unbox a Shima. The packaging is odd. For me to usually open this, I usually go like or I can also dig into it. And we have gotten a Shima. And we're going to place a Shima on the bed. You know what, I'm just going to put it in this collection. I'm going to get with... I'm putting a Shima. I'll say... where I put all the main characters of Thomas's Mainland Adventure 3. Next, we've gotten a character that isn't from Thomas. Yeah, it's not even a Thomas character. In fact, it's not even a character anyway. It's just a toy. This toy, maybe you could call Preschool, but don't that. It's the same brand that got Beresford off. And in fact, his real name isn't actually Beresford. So, let's get the next thing opened. The next thing we're opening is the Squirrel Play wooden train set, which we are gonna open it. Come on, this tape is a bit hard. Okay, since I don't know being in my room. Too bad. You guys do. I'm gonna place them over here. Like sticky. Box. I think we need this. Okay, we got a bit of the box open. This is the train we got. We got like just a metric, whatever it is. So we're going to be unboxing it. Tape, I think we got it all off this side. Nope, we've only done that side. Okay, there. Rip all the way. GTV. You know, it said that there was about all the YouTubers said you're watching Mr. Beast. The one with the dad and the little girl, I don't know what it's called. And then GTV. If you want to go watch that, do, because GTV isn't as popular as it used to be. Yeah, YouTube as it used to be really popular. Sadly, it isn't. And in the newer days of YouTube, more YouTubers came out, like me, who came out in 2024, which is last year. And soon this year, I'm officially going to become my 1 year anniversary of Michael and Friends. Maybe around June or July, and then officially Michael and Friends would have been created 1 year ago. But then and maybe when I've got maybe in, I don't know, 5 years or more, I'll be like, maybe like I'll make some videos like S74 and other YouTubers. But Ben Jack's call it. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Because it's then the year after 2023 when you started doing what. Hopefully you can stop now because you started it last year. Okay. So let's get the entire set out, which comes with box something. Oh, come on. If the world was ending, I wanna be. By the way, no leaks, but I've already got some ideas now. Because of this, all these new engines I just got today, and the fact that I'm going to be getting my Oliver dropped off soon, and the Toad and some more engines dropped off soon, then I might even get some more new characters in the upcoming movie. Hopefully Tommy Ducker might not come. This train might fit good in the background. Maybe that's him a scene. Like a train can be driving along in the background. And on to the final thing before the video ends. Maybe a quick leak for the movie, which I've already set up. Like, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 minutes of the movie so far. My final character that I've got was the Talking Emily Trackmaster. Because I've got almost every Thomas toy so far. So I'm getting the new, trying my best to get the newest ones, but I'm getting all the newest ones and I've only got the new ones I know. The ones I showed you, maybe like last year, 2023 is around the time. Get the whole train up. I got that some more all engines go there as well as this one. I got this very interesting Emily, which is the one that talks, and this is what it says. No, I didn't ask for your age. Excuse me, I'm not in the mood until this. Wow. That's what it can do. Listen, I'm doing. I guess I'm now going to be taking all this stuff down into the downstairs bin because there is no upstairs bin. So let me show you guys. Well, thank you for being kind enough to view this video. And that's my PS5, I think. Maybe PS4, but well, bye.